Motor breaker, how to main contact and link contact open and maintenance. Open the breaker, remove the contact. This is open. Second, before contact open, again second this tripping system, and remove the back side contact. Open these plates, and some contact is in cleaning, and I open the 3 circuit breaker and 2 is burning and 1 is okay. Now I some foil and close it this breakers. How to contact open Moeller breakers. First, this link is open. Rudy, here one is a lock, here lock, push and go out this one, and open 3 screw, again this link out. Now I open 3 screws. How to link open? This is have 1 pin. Remove this pin. Inside I have cutter. Now remove this. Again you see here have 1 pin. Their side I have pushing. Here pushing, again pin out, again link out. You see here pushing, again this small, this is cutter pin, this is a cutter pin, remove it. You see one side I have this not removing, this side, you see this side is removed. Now same I 3 links open. Now I remove the 3 links. Already 3 cutters. This is 3 links. Now make you new points. This point is okay. This point is a problem. Make you same this. Makes you goldsmith. Go to silver points, fix it. This is some okay, but really make you new contact. Silver contacts. Now I fix this. You see this 1 link. 1 link fixes. Again second link, this is second link, see. And third link, third link, pull the third links. These 3 links fix it, and another springs. This is pull this. You see, and another. This is the wrong side. In third position, this is the third position. This is a tension spring. This is third position. Clear. After fix it here. This is three screw inside here. All cleaning I clean and fix it. This is pushing here. This is push on inside. Now I check this. See, now fix it. Before I connect this terminal, check the screw. This is a position of this. It's not magnetic screw. Now go down and fix it. Now here. fixing. Fix it. 3 screws and third screws we are going